Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of India IT 360 Tech Tea Podcast. I'm your host Survi Sahai, Senior Content Writer at India IT 360, and today we have the pleasure of speaking with two tailblazers in the IT services space, Miss Rekha Shetty, Business Manager at LDS Infotech Private Limited. Rekha brings a wealth of experience in driving business transformation and client success. With her strategic insight and hands on expertise, she has been instrumental in helping organizations harness technology to achieve their business goals. Today, she'll share her journey, the evolving IT landscape, and how LDS Infotech continues to empower clients and innovate solutions. Hello and welcome to you, ma'am.
Hi, hello. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Good, good, always.
So, ma'am, tell us something about your journey. We'll start with that.
Yeah.
And my first question to you would be LDS Infotech has been transforming businesses since 1999. From your journey with LDS, what do you think has been the key to its long standing success and growth in such a dynamic IT landscape?
Yeah. So what I would say is that since we have been in this industry for last 26 years, right? So we have built our foundation specifically with regards to our adaptability and the trust with the customers. We have been evolving continuously so that we could stay ahead to the current industry trends that are running, and which has also helped us to deliver the solutions, enhanced solutions that they are looking in for. The second one is when we say our culture, the culture that we have developed internally is the customer first approach and the continuous learning practice that we have developed, which has helped us to stay really resilient, relevant, and ready to whatever next which comes.
Okay, that's great. So LDS has been in this industry and it has been doing really well.
Yes,
So my
yes.
question to you would be, the second question would be, LDS offers a wide spectrum of solutions, from managed services to enterprise security and cloud. Which of these solutions do you find most transformative for clients today and why?
So if you talk about today's scenario, right, I would say cloud as well as enterprise security, they both are the most transformative solution. But it's not constant because technology keeps on changing rapidly, right? Now, when I talk about the transformation on cloud, we have the shift is from AI is shift is to AI as well as data analytics, right? But then now this has become the necessity of the people and it's not an option going forward, right? At the same time, when I talk about enterprise solutions, enterprise security is more of, it is the one which has become the main point to secure whatever the transformations that is happening, right? So when I talk about my clients, our clients rely on us with regards to providing them the efficient and scalable cloud environment. Along with that, they also want us to ensure that whatever their data storage and operations which are happening, that should be secure. So the combination of these two, that is the cloud along with enterprise security, is the one which helps us to innovate and grow.
Okay, that's a bit of more knowledge to us as well. So, so my third question would be, ma'am, one of LDS strength is fostering long-term relationship with the clients.
Right.
Could you share an example where LDS approach made a significant difference for your customer?
Yeah, certainly. So, as I said, we are in this industry for last 26, it's more than 26 years, right? And also, we have customers who are you associated with us for almost last 2 decades, right? So, one of an example I would share out over here is one of our enterprise client who was actually struggling with his fragmented IT infrastructure plus security, which has slowed down his operations. So the team, instead of giving just one full size solution, have started working with their IT team and redesigned the complete roadmap. with regards to implementing the solution, that is the migration, managed services, and security, then that too in the phase manner. So the result of this is it is not only provided the solution to them, but then they also have got a scalable environment which helps them to with which they are actually ready with their expansion plans. So what is that LDS stood out different out over here is that it is the trust that the team has built during the process with them. And this also ensured that today that customer rely on us not only, has an partner to provide solutioning to them, but has an extended IT arm for them. So that is one of the achievement I would talk about.
That's really great. So LDS is giving overall info solution,
Yes,
right?
yes,
And
yes,
building trust at the
yes.
same time.
Yes.
Very
So
nice.
that's where we said, right, when I lay the foundation, it is basically the adaptability as well as the trust that we have built during these years.
Right, ma'am. Brand needs trust, and
Right.
it's based on the trust itself.
Yes.
So, moving on, my fourth question to you would be: the tech industry is constantly evolving. How
Right.
has LDS adapted its services and consulting over the years to ensure clients are always ahead of the curve?
So here I would say that we have been continuously building we have been always been innovative actually. So we have been proactive in whatever the solutions that we have been providing. So we have also built a culture internally within LDS with regards to providing continuous learning, upskilling ourselves, aligning trainings for the team, certifications, as well as advanced trainings, and also associating with our OEMs specifically to be ahead with the curve, right? See, because of these things is what we'll start evolving if we understand the complete technology, if we are associated with the right people, actually. So out over here, if I would say, our this consultative approach has actually empowered us as well as our clients to be ahead of whatever, not they will not only look in with regards to what is their current environment or current needs, but it also aspires them to look beyond their current needs and to be ready with any challenges they would be coming in or any opportunities that would be there. So indirectly, I would say with this approach, it has helped us, both the customer as well us, to be ahead of the curve.
Right, very rightly said. When we need to be ahead of the curve, so we need to
We need
dwell
to
in the
be
technology, right?
right.
That's the That's good. So moving on. So with the increasing demand of the cloud, so we were talking about the technology itself.
Right.
So we are on the cloud. The cybersecurity is
Yes.
changing, and the AI is taking place. So talking about that, so how is this increasing demand of cloud, cybersecurity, and AI-driven solution? Where do you see LDS position itself in the next 5 years?
So I would say in the next 5 years, we will continuously strengthen our role with regards to be not only just a trusted transformative partner to our customers, but we'll also have a deeper, we also will be building a deeper expertise on solutions like AI, data analytics, automation, as well as advanced cybersecurity. So with this, what would help is that we also plan to look ourselves not only just providing or enabling, enabling ourselves only just providing the IT solutions, but we will be also the enablers of the business, wherein the customer would look up to us as a business, not only a business partner, but a solution provider who will be able to take a business to the next level, wherein they will have the growth, the agility, as well as the resilience out of it.
Right. So there's a lot to be done with LDS. Along
Yes,
with LDS, and a lot of things can be explored.
right.
So moving on, ma'am, I have few rapid fire questions for you.
Mhm.
So first question: a tech trend you think is overhyped?
Uh, AI enterprise security. I would specifically say AI basically AI enterprise adoption is what I would say. It sounds very exciting, but if you see in today's business world, all the business industries are not ready. All the business units are not ready to adopt AI, right? It will, to actually utilize the complete AI, it will take some time.
Right. What we know as embedded, and what
Yes.
like
So you
embedded is
you
there.
see some part of the AI which has been there has an if I talk about small example, Chat GPT is an example, right? Any of this are the AI examples. But then actually, how are you going to use it? What are the right prompts you need to put forward? Those all things also matter.
Exactly, exactly. How we are using it in the business.
Right.
Business front is more important.
Yes.
These are the chat GPTs are the common things that everybody is using, right?
Yes.
So definitely. So, ma'am, one word to describe LDS Infotech. What would be that?
Oh, transformative.
Transformative. Great. And one gadget you can't live without.
My smartphone that keeps me connected and productive on the go.
On the go. Great. If LDS Infotech were a superhero, what would its superpower be?
I would say adaptability, the ability to change with the changing transformations and the rapid evolving of the technology that happens, which helps us to empower our business.
Okay. So it gets adapt to
Adapt,
business needs,
yes.
right?
So, as I said, right, our foundation is based on adaptability.
Right. Very well. So, ma'am, our last question to you for the day and for the session. What one piece of advice you would like to share with the next generation aspiring to build a career in IT services and client management?
See, as you say, nothing is, static. Everything is dynamic. So same is with your IT world, right? It keeps on evolving rapidly, and the change is so fast that, if today's generation or whoever planning to look into a career in IT, they should not only, have the technical expertise, but they should also have an understanding with regards to what is the client looking in for, because we are into the industry of serving people, right? So if I do not have a knowledge with regards to what the client is looking for, how agile I am in responding to the customer needs, and the way I deliver the solution which gives an ROI to the customer, right? If these things are not there, so I would say these are the three pointers which I would highlight in, wherein you need to understand the customer needs. You should be quite agile in responding back to the customer and deliver the right solution with an ROI to the customer, right? And this could be possible only when you build a trust, not only the technical expertise, but you have to also build a trust with the customer. Now, if today's generation or the people who is looking career in IT have to cultivate this habit, which will lay a foundation for them for an impactful career. So it's
Okay.
trust along with the technical expertise
Right.
that needs to be built in.
Great, ma'am. Thank you. It was great speaking to you and getting
Same
knowledge
here.
about your
I hope
experience.
it is useful also for you to put it forward to the.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, definitely. So, thank you, ma'am, for your time and your insights with your experience today. It has been an inspiring to hear about LDS Infotech, and we appreciate that continues to transform businesses, embrace innovation, and foster meaningful client relationship. To our
Thank
listener, thank you for joining us on the episode of the Tech Tea podcast. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more engaging conversation with IT leaders and keep sipping your tech tea. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy. Thank you and goodbye.